Hello and welcome to the Introducing Bare Metal as a Service with OpenNebula and NVIDIA NICo screencast. In this screencast, we will demonstrate how OpenNebula integrates NVIDIA Infrastructure Controller into its native provisioning workflow, allowing operators to deploy and manage bare metal AI infrastructure using the same interface and lifecycle already used for virtual machines. NVIDIA Infrastructure Controller, also known as NICo, is an open source suite of microservices for site local, zero trust bare metal lifecycle management. It automates hardware discovery, firmware validation, DPU provisioning, network isolation, and tenant sanitization, enabling NVIDIA cloud partners and AI factory operators to deploy and operate large-scale GPU infrastructure. OpenNebula provides the cloud management layer on top of this infrastructure. For this integration, we developed two native OpenNebula drivers, an information manager responsible for monitoring NICo resources, and virtual machine manager responsible for provisioning and controlling bare metal instances through the NICo API. These drivers abstract the underlying NICo operations, allowing bare metal resources to be managed through OpenNebula's existing data model, scheduling engine, templates, quotas, permissions, and user interface. The result is the unified operational model where virtual machines and bare metal instances share the same management workflow. For this demonstration, we are using an NVIDIA GB300 NVL72 AI factory with OpenNebula and NVIDIA NICo already deployed and connected. Let's see how a bare metal server can be provisioned from within OpenNebula. In this demonstration, we will launch a bare metal instance directly from OpenNebula using NVIDIA NICo. Before getting started, NICo must already be deployed and reachable from the OpenNebula frontend. The infrastructure administrator provides the NICo endpoint, authentication credentials, and the required scope configuration. The OpenNebula frontend also includes two NICo integration drivers. Here we can verify that both the Information Manager and the Virtual Machine Manager drivers are already installed. Before provisioning an instance, there are two NICo concepts that are important to understand. The first is the instance type, which defines the characteristics of the bare metal server that will be deployed. In OpenNebula, instance types are represented as virtual machine templates. The second is the allocation, which represents the pool of available physical resource capable of hosting those instance types. In OpenNebula, allocations are represented as hosts. This mapping allows OpenNebula to schedule bare metal resources using the same scheduling logic it already applies to virtual machines. Now we will create an OpenNebula host representing the NICo allocation. We need to provide the NICo OpenNebula drivers during creation and then update its definition to add all the required attributes. This includes the allocation ID and everything required to access the NICo cluster, which will be provided to us by the infrastructure operator. Let's enable it so the monitoring connects to NICo API and obtains info about the allocation and waits for it to become ready. Once monitoring begins, the host becomes available for scheduling. Each available NICo allocation unit is represented internally as one virtual CPU and 1 megabyte of memory. This is simply an accounting mechanism that allows the OpenNebula scheduler to accurately determine how many bare metal instances can still be provisioned. In this example, the allocation reports capacity for 18 instances, so the host appears with 18 virtual CPUs and 18 megabytes of available memory. Next, we will create an OpenNebula template representing the NICo instance type. The template references several objects that already exist within NICo, including the instance type, the operating system image, the secure shell key group, the VPC, and the VPC prefix used for IP address allocation. The template also specifies that it can only be scheduled on NICo-enabled hosts. Once the template definition is complete, we import it into the OpenNebula. And finally, let's instantiate the template to launch a new bare metal instance which will appear to OpenNebula as a virtual machine. In the upper side of the screen, we can see the running NICo instances asking its API directly. It's being kept in the pending state for some time while the real machine is being provisioned. The bare metal instance is monitored the same way as any real virtual machine, also extracting NICo-specific information such as its instance ID stored in the deploy ID field. At this point, we need to wait a bit for the physical hardware to become ready. Once NICo reports the boot complete state, the server is ready. We can connect to the new machine and verify that it has been successfully provisioned. In this example, the server is delivered with 4 NVIDIA GPUs exactly as defined by the selected instance type. The bare metal system is now fully operational and managed through OpenNebula. And this concludes the demonstration where we have shown how OpenNebula integrates natively with NVIDIA Infrastructure Controller to provide bare metal as a service for AI factory environments. By exposing NICo resources through the standard OpenNebula abstraction of hosts and templates, operators can provision and manage physical GPU servers using the same workflows, scheduling, automation, and multi-tenant capabilities already available for virtual infrastructure. Thank you for watching and see you in the next screencast.